Hello my dear children, this is class plus 1, chapter first is going on. Chapter name is some basic concepts of chemistry, but we have covered in this chapter. We have covered matter, what is matter, what is a classification of matter. Okay, now second we have covered laws of chemical combination, where there were 4 laws: law of constant, law of conservation, law of chemical combination, Gay-Lussac's law. Third topic was Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory we covered, along with limitation and modern theory. The fourth topic we covered is Avogadro's hypothesis. Avogadro's, and the fifth was atomic mass and molecular mass. Today we are going to complete mole concept. Today's topic is numericals of the mole concept. So let us start. It's already a theory I have discussed already. Let us start again. Just what is a mole? In my last lecture I discussed, write down mole concept once again. Mole concept. Today we will take the numericals. This is again mole concept numerical portion. Now what is a mole? Mole is the representation is by n, because it is a numerical portion. So listen to me very carefully. N is mole. If I say 1 mole, then your answer is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. Right? These particles may be atoms, these particles may be ions, these particles may be molecules. Atoms, ions, molecules, you can call entities even, entities. Particles are called entities. Entities is atoms, ions and molecules. This is also called Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. In honor of scientist Avogadro, this number is given as Avogadro's number. This is all about, let us start with the numerical. In the numerical, you will apply only 3 formulas. You will not go outside these 3 formula. N is small m by capital M. N is, second formula, N is volume by 22.4 liters. In a very simple way I am taking numericals. N is equal to capital N by Avogadro's number. I will take 3-4 numericals, and in 3-4 numericals, after doing that 3-4 numericals, I will give the same type of numericals. If you successfully in solving the numericals, this means your basics of the mole concept is clear. Now this is N. I am going to start. N, M is a mass of substance, it is a molecular mass, it's a volume, it's a fixed volume of 1 mole of any, it's a molar volume, and for Avogadro's number, and this is for atoms, molecules or ions. Let us start. I am taking first numerical. Question number 1. What is the volume of falling? Write down along with me. What is the volume of falling? Falling. First is 2 mole of oxygen gas. Second is 3.01 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of oxygen. Third is, you can take that is 52 gram of oxygen. Write on a very slow manner along with me. My first question is, what is the volume of? When the question comes, what is the volume of, you will apply the fixed formula N is equal to volume divided by 22.4 liter always. Whenever the question comes volume, you will apply this formula. And volume is equal to N multiplied by 22.4 liters. And this is the first question I am taking now. This is a fixed formula you will apply to calculate volume. Now volume is equal to N is 2 mole, you put direct 2 mole, 2 into 24, 2.4 liters, this is the first answer. 44.8 liters is the first answer. Now second is, again, what is the volume of fixed formula? Volume is equal to N into 22.4. Now they are asking about molecules. In this formula there is not even a single word of molecule. Now what you will do, you will put the formula N is equal to capital N by Avogadro's number. In this number this word is given into 22.4. Put the value 3.01 into 10 raised to power 23 divided by 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 into 22.4 liters, that is 11.2 liter will be the answer. So this is the way. Now third is what is the volume of 52 gram of oxygen? Again take same, volume is equal to N into 22.4. So what is N? Gram they are asking. You put N is small m by capital M into 22.4. Small m is 52 gram, right? And capital M of oxygen. And remember, volume always related with the gas, and the gas related with the molecules. So because this is a volume question, volume of gas and gas is of molecule. So this is a molecule. You put the molecular mass, not the atomic mass. So it is 32, not to put 16, because volume, gas, molecules. Okay, smallest particle of the gas is not atom, smallest particle of the gas is molecule. So into 22.4 liters. This is a way to calculate volume. Within 3 numericals you will become so perfect. Okay, now I am taking second numerical. Write down the second numerical. Question number 2. What is the mass of falling? What is the mass of falling? A part 3.01 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of nitrogen. B part same. Now they are asking molecules of nitrogen. C part 11.2 liter of carbon dioxide. D part 2 mole of oxygen O2. Let us calculate the mass of. Now what formula you will apply of the mass? Second formula, N is equal to small m by capital M, and small m will be, small m is equal to N into capital M, right? Now my question number A part, write down A. They are asking about atom, and in this formula there is not even a single formula that carry the word atom. What you will do, N is equal to capital N divided by Avogadro's number into capital M. Now we will put 3.01 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms divided by 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 into atoms of oxygen, because atoms, so put 16 gram, because atom word is here, so you will put atomic mass. This is A part. Now coming to the B part. B part same formula you will apply. M is equal to N into capital M. Again N is equal to N by Avogadro's number into capital M. Now it's molecules. B part, write down B part. Again it is 3.01, right? B part 3.01 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Now you put 32 gram because the question carrying molecule. So you will put here molecular mass now. This B part, very simple way I given to you. You can calculate any numerical by applying this formula. Next again, N is equal to small m by capital M. Small m is equal to N into capital M. This is a common formula going on. Now question is C part. 11.2 liters. The question is where to put. There is no volume in the numerical. You will bring the volume. N is volume divided by 22.4 multiply by capital M. volume is 11.2 liters, it is 22.4 into capital M of carbon dioxide is 44, 12 plus 32. This is a C part, right? C part answer. Now D part. D part, write down D part. Same formula. Now there is a mole word. Mole is there. No need to substitute any other formula here. It's 2 into oxygen. Oxygen is O2 written, so it is 32. This is a mass. This is the second miracle I have completed. Now write down the third miracle. In third miracle, question number 3, they are asking how many molecules in the following. How many molecules? Maybe ask atoms. Same formula you apply. In the following, how many molecules oblique atoms in the following? A part, 4 mole of oxygen. B part is 22 gram of carbon dioxide. C part is your 11.2 liters of nitrogen. D part is your 32 gram of nitrogen atom. Now nitrogen. Let us start calculating one by one. The question is how many molecules and atoms in the following. You will apply the formula now. N is a capital N by Avogadro's number. And N is N into Avogadro's number. Write down. What is this N, students? This N stands for atoms or molecules, depend upon whatever your species is. If your species is molecules, you call it molecule. Like A part. In A part it is a molecule. You are going to calculate molecules. So 4 mole, you can put it directly 4 mole into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. This come molecules. So because this is O2, so this is your molecules. Molecules. If in question comes calculate the atoms, so what you will do? Because oxygen has atomicity 2, round it off. So this is molecules. So what you will do in the second step, 4 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 multiply by 2. If you further multiply by 2, this comes atoms. Remember this, very important thing I've shared. Atoms. 1 mole has 2 atoms. This 1 molecule has 2 atoms. This much molecule has how many atoms? I'm taking B part. In the B part, same question. N is N by Avogadro's number. N is equal to N into Avogadro's number. Let us start B part. 22 gram. Now you substitute the formula small m by capital M into Avogadro's number. Small m is 22 gram. It's 22 gram. It is your molecule. Carbon dioxide is a molecule. So it's a 44 gram. 12 plus 32 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, because carbon dioxide is a molecule. So this comes your molecules. Okay. If you want to calculate the atoms of carbon and oxygen in it, you can go further. Now, for example, in carbon dioxide, you want to calculate separately the atoms. So number of carbon atom, write down, number of carbon atom in carbon dioxide is equal to this much, let it is X, let it is X molecule, it's X molecules multiply by 1, because carbon, in carbon dioxide, carbon is 1. Write down number of oxygen atom in carbon dioxide, it is X, X is a molecules multiplied by 2. I think it's very clear now. From molecule, if you want to calculate atom, what you will do, you will select how many atoms, then you will multiply the molecules number by that. 1 into X and 2 into X. Now I am taking third part, C part, volume. How many molecules? Because it is a gas, it's a volume. Volume related with gas, gas related with molecule. So we are calculating molecules, okay? Now your formula was going on, N is equal to N by Avogadro's number, N is equal to N into Avogadro's number. This is C part. liters. Substitute the formula of volume. N is volume by 22.4 liters into Avogadro's number. Volume is 11.2 by 22.4 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules comes. Because it is nitrogen. Nitrogen is a gas. Gas is made up of molecules. You have calculated molecules. Now students, if question comes calculate atoms, same, that it is X, it is 3.001, it is X. What you will do? You will multiply X by what asking, suppose it was nitrogen, you multiply it with 2. Because in nitrogen there is 2 atoms, otherwise it is a molecule. Now I am taking your fourth part, D part, 32 gram of nitrogen atom. N is equal to N by Avogadro's number. N is equal to N into Avogadro's number. N is a small m by capital M into Avogadro's number. N become atoms. If you will put here atomic mass 32 and nitrogen atomic mass is 14 gram into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Now same question. If you want to calculate molecule, see minutely, then you will put here 32 by 28. This is atomic mass, so atoms comes. This is molecular mass, so molecules come. Multiply by 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. In this way you can calculate the molecules first and the atoms later on. So this is the 3 formulas we utilized. N is equal to small m by capital M. N is equal to volume by 22.4 liters. N is equal to capital N by Avogadro's number. Only these 3 formulas are there. With the help of these 3 formula, you can calculate any of the typical numerical from this. Now I am giving you 1 or 2 numericals. You select these numericals and start doing these numericals at your home. This is just to do practice. I am taking question number 1. You solve yourself. Calculate number of atoms of each type in 90 gram of glucose. This is my first question. Calculate the number of atoms of each type in a 90 gram of glucose. Glucose is C6H12O6. Second question. Calculate the number of molecules in 0.5 mole of drop of water. Calculate the number of molecules, simple, in 0.5 mole of drop of water. Third part. Calculate the volume of falling. Calculate the volume of falling. First is 16 gram of nitrogen gas. Calculate the volume of 16 gram of nitrogen gas. Second part. Calculate the volume of 2 mole of nitrogen gas. Third part. Calculate the volume of 3.01 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of nitrogen gas. So here you have a number of atoms, number of molecules, and this is your volume. The last numerical, calculate the mass of falling. First part, 4 mole of carbon dioxide. B part, 11.2 liters of nitrogen gas. Third part, 3.01 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of nitrogen gas. So this is the basics of moles numerical. Now you attempt all these numericals at your home. When all these numericals get solved by you in a very quick manner, that means the basics of the mole concept is clear. Now after that, in my next lecture, I will take limiting reactant. I will take the numerical of limiting reactant, and some of the numericals I will take from the terms stoichiometry, STOICHIO, same type of numerical, mole, but the basics of the mole is this that I've taken today. Now again I'm revising the theory of the mole just for 1 minute. This topic is also of the mole we will take in the next lecture. Now if I say 1 mole of nitrogen gas, you know gas is made up of molecules. You will immediately write 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. If I say 14 gram of nitrogen, listen to me carefully, because 14 gram is the atomic weight of nitrogen. You will write 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atom. If I write 28 gram of nitrogen, you will say 28 gram is the molecular weight of nitrogen, so this carry this much molecules. If question comes 1 gram atom, same thing. 1 gram atom means atomic weight in gram. If question come 1 gram molecule, 1 gram molecule is 28 gram is equal to this much molecule. So 1 mole of nitrogen gas is this. If I say 22.4 liters of nitrogen, what does it mean? How many? Answer is again this much molecules. Because liters means gas, that is volume related with the molecules. So now I am giving you 4 blanks. You put yourself, fill these numericals, fill these blanks yourself. Write down 1 mole of oxygen gas is equal to dash. 1 mole of oxygen atom is equal to dash. 1 mole of oxygen molecule is equal to dash atom I am asking now. Next I am writing 32 gram of sulfur is equal to how much atom? 32 gram of sulfur. Next is 1 gram molecule of chlorine is equal to how much molecules? Here I am in all I am writing the atom oblique molecules. So we will discuss the same question in the next lecture. You fill all the blanks. So this is all about today's lecture. Today we have completed your topic mole concept, the numericals of the mole concept. Now what you will do in your NCERT exercise, there are a lot of numericals of the mole concept. So you practice at your home. This is the basics I have taken today. Little bit complex numericals I will take in my next lecture. Take my lecture regularly, only then your topics will get clear, and do your homework regularly. Today we have completed the topic mole concept. Thank you.